Ever wondered why some people seem to have a magical touch with money? Well, it's not magic, it's strategic planning. So, how important are financial goals in 2024? Imagine a successful entrepreneur. She's accomplished, driven, and financially secure. But it wasn't always that way. Once she was just like anyone else, unsure of how to navigate the financial terrain. What changed? She started setting clear, specific financial goals. Financial goals are like the compass of your wealth journey. They give you direction, guide you through financial storms, and help you stay on track. They provide motivation, like the fuel in your car, driving you forward towards financial success. And they allow you to measure your progress, offering tangible proof that you're making headway in your financial journey. So, why are financial goals key in 2024? Because in an era of digital products and passive income avenues, clear goals can fast-track your path to financial success. As you can see, setting specific financial goals isn't just a good idea, it's a game changer. And the good news? You can start today. Now that we understand the power of financial goals, how do we make them manageable? Ever heard of the saying, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. The same principle applies here. So, let's break this down. Imagine you've set a financial goal for the year, say, earning an extra $50,000. Now that's quite an elephant, isn't it? But what if we divide this goal into 4 parts? Suddenly, your daunting elephant looks more like a herd of manageable deer, each representing a quarter of the year. Your goal now is to earn approximately $12,500 every 3 months. Feels more doable, doesn't it? Let's bring this to life with a real-life example. Meet Jane. She's a graphic designer with a knack for creating digital products. In 2023, Jane set a goal to earn an extra $50,000. She broke down this goal into quarterly milestones, focusing on promoting her digital products and creating new ones that offered passive income. By the end of the first quarter, Jane had achieved her goal. The psychological boost she experienced was enormous. She felt confident, motivated, and ready to tackle the next quarter. This positive momentum carried her through the rest of the year, and by December, she had not only reached her financial goal, but exceeded it. This approach of breaking down goals into smaller, achievable milestones has a scientific basis. It's all about dopamine, the feel-good hormone. Achieving these smaller goals triggers a dopamine release, which not only makes us feel good, but also motivates us to keep going. It's a win-win situation, so remember, break down your financial mountain into manageable hills. It's easier to climb, and the view from the top will be just as spectacular. But what if you could reach your financial goals faster? What if there was a financial escalator, so to speak? Well, there is. It's called the digital marketplace. Now let's imagine you're a savvy baker. You've got a secret recipe for the world's best cherry pie. Instead of selling one pie at a time in a brick-and-mortar shop, you decide to sell a digital recipe ebook online. The beauty of this approach? You create the product once, but it can be sold an infinite number of times, generating passive income. Each sale gets you closer to your financial goals without requiring more work on your part. This is the power of the digital marketplace. Now let's take this concept a step further. Say you're not the creative type. That's okay, the digital marketplace has room for everyone. You can promote other people's digital products as an affiliate. Every sale made through your promotion earns you a commission. It's like having a piece of the pie without having to bake it yourself. Let's dive into a real-life example. Meet Jane, a fitness enthusiast turned digital entrepreneur. Jane created a series of workout videos and sold them online. She also promoted fitness gear as an affiliate. Within 2 quarters, Jane had not only achieved her financial goals for the year, but she had surpassed them. Jane's story is not unique. There are countless digital entrepreneurs who have fast-tracked their financial goals by embracing the digital marketplace. However, remember that while the digital marketplace provides an escalator to your financial goals, it's not a magic bullet. Success requires a well-thought-out strategy, commitment, and resilience. It's about finding the right product or service, promoting it effectively, and continually optimizing your approach based on customer feedback and market trends. So, let's recap. The digital marketplace offers a powerful way to fast-track your financial goals. By creating and selling digital products, or promoting the products of others, you can generate passive income that brings your financial goals closer, quicker. So don't just work for your money, make your money work for you. Embrace the digital marketplace and watch your financial goals come closer, quicker. We've covered a lot today, haven't we? But I bet you still have questions, and guess what? We want to hear them. Now take a moment. Imagine it's the end of 2024 and you're sitting there, a huge grin on your face. Why? because you've smashed all your financial goals. Sounds great, right? But getting there is not an overnight journey. It's like a cross-country road trip. You wouldn't just jump in your car and hope for the best, would you? No, you'd plan your route, check your vehicle, and make sure you're prepared for the long haul. So, let's start planning. Do you have questions about making money online in 2024? Maybe you're wondering how to promote digital products or how to create passive income streams. These are excellent topics to delve into, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. But we can't read minds, not yet at least. The technology is still in beta testing. So, we need you to ask those burning questions. Don't worry, there's no such thing as a silly question. Well, unless you're asking if a zebra is a white horse with black stripes or a black horse with white stripes, that's a head scratcher. But back to finance. By asking questions and engaging with us, you're not just helping yourself, you're also helping others who might have the same queries. It's like a group study session, but way more fun. And you don't even have to leave your couch. So let's make this interactive. Click that subscribe button. Not only will you get more financial tips, but you'll also be part of a community of like-minded individuals, all working towards their financial goals. And hey, if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends. Who knows, they might thank you later when they're sipping margaritas on their private island, bought with the passive income you helped them create. So don't be shy, join the conversation. Subscribe for more, share with your friends, and let's make 2024 the year you achieve your financial goals. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're here to help, one financial tip at a time.